How to take screenshots of disappearing photos Instagram without getting caught. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device. Make sure that you're logged into your account. After that, tap on your DM section at the top right corner of the screen. Now select on the chat over here. You can just select any of the chats. And as you tap on the DM section, so as you tap on the DM over here, you can see there's a disappearing message or the disappearing photo that has been sent to you. Now when you tap on the photo, you'll be able to see that and it will disappear after a view. And you'll not be able to take a screenshot, and even if you take the screenshot, it will be notified to the other person. Now if you do not want to get it notified to other person, what you can simply do is scroll down the status bar, toggle off the Wi-Fi and turn on the airplane mode. As you turn on the airplane mode, what you simply need to do is open up the photo, and as you open up the photo, you can just take the screenshot over here. And as you take the screenshot, now you can just go back and launch the settings application on your device over here. And as you launch the settings application, just scroll down and tap on apps, then tap on manage apps, and here you just need to search for Instagram. So just search for Instagram over here. And as you search for the Instagram application on your device, you can just force stop the application, and after force stopping the application, you can just toggle off the airplane mode and then relaunch your Wi-Fi over here. And as you relaunch the Wi-Fi, you can just go and view your Instagram message and it will not be notified to the other person. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.